What if I were to tell you that people are replacing their full-time income selling stickers on Etsy? Yes, you heard me right. They are selling stickers and replacing their full-time income. And in today's video, first I'm going to show you the proof, and second I'm going to show you how you can do this too. First, Mother Nature. All right, so here we are in Etsy. I typed stickers into the search, and I will tell you that the top sticker listings on Etsy are actually custom stickers, so keep that in mind. For example, this one here has over 3,000 monthly sales. That is just insane. So you can absolutely make your own custom sticker listing. I'm not going to say that overnight you're going to be a top seller too. You definitely have to make it different than these other listings so that you can stand out. Using EVERBEE product analytics, I also wanted to show you how much monthly revenue these other sticker listings are bringing in monthly. Now I have the shops blurred out on the side over here just out of respect, but if you wanted to dig into this research further, you can try out EVERBEE for free with the link in my description below. A lot of these stickers are trending upward, or they're trending very consistently, and believe it or not, like, stickers are always in demand, and they're not just for children. There are actually like more adults are buying stickers now, so keep that in mind as well. I wanted to showcase this frog sticker right here, how cute and simple it is. Hold on, partner, I'm overstimulated. This one has sold almost 300 times this month. One of the things I am seeing with stickers that are selling really well on Etsy, they are a cutesy design paired with a funny or sarcastic saying. Those are the types of stickers that are trending right now. If you've seen my trend videos lately, I've mentioned that silly goose things are selling really well on Etsy. Here's an example of a sticker that's selling well. Again, it's a cutesy design with like a funny saying, "Sorry I'm late, I was dilly-dallying." This one is sold almost 100 times this month. Again, if you've seen my trend videos, you know that I've been talking about the coquette niche for quite some time now. Yes, it's actually still in demand, and it can be paired nicely with stickers. And this is an example of a cute custom sticker and how you can stand out among the other Etsy sellers that are also offering custom stickers. Always consider pairing a custom listing with a design aesthetic that is trending. This sticker here has sold over 100 times this month. All right, now we are going to make our own sticker design. I'm going to show you the fastest way to make a trendy, cutesy sticker and the safest way possible. So we're going to be using Creative Fabria and also Canva. And what I mean by safest way possible is I'm going to make sure you know the rules so that you can make a design that aligns with Etsy's policies so that you don't get in trouble for breaking their rules or also getting a trademark infringement. All right, so here we are in Creative Fabria. This is one of my favorite design websites to use. Now there are some rules to make sure that you are safe and compliant with Etsy's policies. We don't want your shop to get in trouble, and we don't want you to get a trademark infringement. So really focus in during this quick part of the tutorial. All right, so the main thing you need to know is that you cannot just take a graphic from Creative Fabria, download it, and sell it. And you also can't just put it on a print-on-demand product and sell it. That is against Etsy's policies. You need to take this design and tweak it to make it your own. And I'm not talking just erasing the text. That's not enough to make it your own. Now, this is per Etsy's policies, because if we click into here, you will see it's commercial and full print-on-demand usage allowed. So this designer that put this up on Creative Fabria, they're allowing you to use it for print-on-demand. However, Etsy's not allowing it. So maybe Shopify, you can get away with this. Maybe TikTok Shop, you can get away with this. EVERBEE Store, you can get away with this. But per Etsy policies, you cannot, and you will get in trouble. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can still use Creative Fabria graphics to make trendy, awesome designs without getting in trouble. So you have access to all of their fonts, which you can use according to Etsy's policies, because you will be making your own sayings and your own graphics with these designs. So that is allowed. The other thing you can do is take a graphic from a bundle. So for this example, I'm searching frogs, And by the way, in the description below, I will be providing a link for you to get 10 free downloads from Creative Fabrica so you can try it out yourself. All right, so here is an example here. We would not be able to just take this as is. Do I think that this is a trending design and would sell really well on Etsy? Absolutely. Is it tempting to just download this and put it on a t-shirt or to sell it as a sticker? Absolutely. Are we going to do that? Absolutely not. So I'm going to show you how we can make our own design right now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to search through and find a bundle that I like, meaning something like this. All right, I'm going to click into this one here and I am going to download. Quick little thing, if you're still watching, can you just type in stickers in the comment section below so that I know that you made it this far? All right, so now I am in Canva and I have uploaded my frog bundle. I'm going to choose a graphic. I love all of these actually. The cool thing about stickers is you can do as many listings as you want and test as many graphics as you want. I'm going to go with this one here and I'm going to scale it down a bit and I'm going to be adding a text. All right, and I'm not going to read this out loud in case there's little ears around. But like I said, we are pairing a cutesy design with a funny, sarcastic saying. Sometimes an almost inappropriate saying is what is selling well. And I'm going to change the color of this to match the picture. I'm going to make this bigger and I think I might curve it. Effects, and if you scroll down, you can go to curve. And if you scroll down a little bit more, you can make it less curvy. And I might make this smaller. All right, so now you're gonna come here to share, download, make sure it's a PNG file, transparent background, download. All right, now that we have our cutesy sticker design, we have to place it on a product. Now there's two ways that you can do this. You can purchase all of the machinery that you need to make your own stickers, but that's going to cost money, and then it's also going to take you a lot of time to make these stickers when the orders come in. You need to make sure you have all the materials, you have to package them up nicely, you have to take them to the post office. There's so many things that you have to do that in my eyes it's not worth it for a couple dollars to do all that. My whole point of starting print on demand was to have the time freedom that it allows me to live my life how I want, which is why I use Printify. So we're going to jump into Printify and I'm going to show you the types of stickers that you can be using in your Etsy shops. Okay, here we are within Printify. This is who I use for all of my print on demand products. They have hundreds of products to choose from, but today I'm mostly just going to be showing you stickers. So I'm just going to come up here to the search and type in stickers. And now here are all of the different kinds of stickers that you can choose from. Now the main ones that are selling on Etsy are these kiss cut stickers. So basically whatever the shape of your design is, it will be in a sticker. Whereas if you choose this square sticker here, your sticker will be on a square with a white background and the graphic will be in the middle. So in my opinion, this is the best one to go with. Also, the price point is one of the lowest here, $1.02. So we're going to click in here and we're going to start designing. And now we are going to upload. All right, I'm going to center it here. Now remember, when it ships to the customer, it will be on a square. However, they will be able to peel off the actual sticker part so that it will, let me show you a preview of what it will look like. It's kiss cut, so it'll go right around the design and you won't have a square background like one of the other options that Printify has to offer. Here's another preview of what it looks like being used. And now you can use these as your mock-up images on Etsy within your Etsy listing or wherever it is you decide to sell this product. The next thing you're going to do is fill out the rest of the listing and publish it to Etsy so that when a customer orders it, it will be synced up to Printify and they will print the design onto the sticker, package it up nicely, and ship it to your customer for you. All right, guys, and there you have it. That's how you're going to make stickers and sell them on Etsy or maybe Shopify or TikTok Shop, whichever platform you prefer. I hope that this video helped you. Please give me a like and subscribe for more content like this, and I'll see you in the next video.